Hello students, welcome to the SST classroom. Today we are going to start chapter number 2, People as a Resource of Economics. Before starting the topic, we'll have an introduction that what we are going to study in this chapter. We'll study human resource and its meaning, economic and non-economic activities, division of labor between men and women, quality of population, health, education, unemployment and its types. So many things are there, and why we are studying this chapter, students? Because what is the name of this chapter? People as a resource. So we are studying it to learn that how the population of a country becomes a resource for country, how population provides a good economical strength to the country, and how our country becomes more developed due to it. All this thing we are going to learn in this chapter. The very first, before starting the people as a resource means human resource. So before studying human resource, you must know what is resource. What is resource? Anything which satisfy human needs is called a resource. Anything which satisfy human needs, any of the things. There are so many things, students. For example, I have given here forest, animals, water, air, doctor, driver, milkman, servants, etc. Whenever you wake up in the morning, you go to washroom, you took the bath, you go to school. There are so many things which you need. When you go to bathroom, you need brush and paste to clean your teeth. You need soap, water, bucket to clean your body. When you get ready for the school, you took breakfast, you need food, milk, water, so many things. Then when you go to school, either your parents drop you to the school or you goes by bus or by van. So that person who is taking you to the school, either it's a driver or your father or anyone else, that person is also a resource for you. So in short, my point is that only not the non-living things are resource for us, even the we human beings are also resource for each other. So many people came at your home, like servants, driver, milkmen, which give you the needful things to you. The vegetable person who to your mother took the vegetables from the vegetable vendor, fruits, milk you took from the milkman, and in the likewise way, so many persons are there in our life which we need, we required them. Doctor, whenever you fall sick, where you go? Doctor. It means that doctor is a resource for you. When you want to study, so whose help you want? Always you, the very first thing which comes in your mind, that is a teacher. Teacher is also a human, but when a person becomes a teacher, he becomes a resource for the other person. दूसरों के लिए वो एक रिसोर्स बन जाता है. तो likewise, human resource is basically the size of population of a country along with its efficiency, educational qualities, productivity, organizational abilities, and far sightedness. So many difficult words are there, I know, but the meaning is I am explaining it. The size of the population, the size of population means all the human beings living in an area, that is called the population of that area. But here, what is defining in the human being, human resource? It's efficiency. Efficiency means working efficiency, that how efficiently a work is done by the human, means कितने अच्छे तरीके से एक ह्यूमन बीइंग जो है वो वर्क कर सकता है. एजुकेशनल क्वालिटीज़, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन अ ह्यूमन. Educational qualities, a person must be educated प्रोडक्टिविटी मीन्स पर्सन इतना एजुकेटेड हो कि वो अच्छी प्रोडक्टिविटी दे सके. अच्छी प्रोडक्टिविटी इन टर्म्स ऑफ व्हाट? इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी. इट मीन्स कि पर्सन की एजुकेशन के बाद जब उसको एक अच्छी जॉब मिले या वो अच्छा बिजनेस करे, वट एवर द थिंग ही इज़ डूइंग, ही शुड कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट टू द इकोनॉमी ऑफ कंट्री. वो कंट्री की इकोनॉमी में कंट्रीब्यूट कर पाए, एटलीस्ट उसकी इनकम इतनी हो. ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल एबिलिटीज़ मीन्स किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में वर्क करने की एबिलिटी, ईदर किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को रन करने की एबिलिटी उस पर्सन के अंदर हो. साइटेडनेस मीन्स विजनरी हो, दूर तक सोच सके. तो these are the qualities of the human resource. In these terms we call that this is called a good human resource, right? Not clear to you? I'm telling you more examples. People as a resource is a way of referring to countries' working people in terms of their existing productive skills and abilities. It means the people living in our country, their work skills and abilities defines the human resource of our country. It shows कि उस कंट्री के जितने भी ह्यूमन पर्सन्स हैं वो कैसे हैं, हाउ दे आर गुड, बैड, एसेट और लाइबिलिटी. So many definitions are given there in books, and wherever you search, whatever you feel comfortable and you feel like this definition is more convenient to us, you can learn that, no issue. But to understand the human resource exactly what we are talking about it, I have a story for you so that you can understand it कि human resource exactly है क्या है and why it is very important for a country. So the story is of two children, Mishti and Daruk, who lived in a village. Daruk's father is a fisherman and Mishti's father is a farmer. Both of the kids belongs to the poor family. कोई भी ऐसा बच्चा नहीं दोनों में से जो बहुत रिच फैमिली से बिलोंग करता हो. दोनों ही सेम बैकग्राउंड के और पुअर फैमिली से बिलोंग करने वाले थे. मिस्टीज़ पेरेंट्स प्रोवाइड हर एजुकेशन एंड गुड मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़. मिस्टी के जो पेरेंट्स थे वो कैसे थे? दे प्रोवाइड्स हर द गुड एजुकेशन एंड गुड मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़. मीन्स वेन एवर मिस्टी फॉल सिक्स, दे टुक हर टू दी doctor and take the medicinal precautions and medicines and all the things whatever doctor told. On the other hand, Daruk parents do not provide him education and good medical facilities. उनका thought क्या था? They thought that I will take my son with me. I will tell him how to catch the fishes, how to run the business, and so they took him to the ponds and the rivers to catch the fishes and to sell them for working. So they took him. Then as the time passes, what happened? Mishti started her computer training in city. Mishti बड़ी होती गई and she started computer training in the city while दारुक क्या कर रहे हैं? He becomes a fisherman. He is still in the village and he becomes a fisherman. What happened then later? Mishti opens her own computer training center in her village. और मिष्टी कंप्यूटर ट्रेनिंग लेके वापस आ गई and he opened her own computer training center in the village and Daruk is still a fisherman. So what does this story shows? That Mishti becomes a asset for country and Daruk becomes a liability, or you can say in other language that Mishti becomes a good human resource for country and Daruk is still working on that. So problem is that the persons like Daruk, those who are not taking education, not taking medical facilities due to any of the reasons, so many reasons can be there. So Mishti's parents also poor, but they still thought that we should provide anyhow. उन्होंने अपनी जितनी भी नीड्स थी उनको छोड़ के अपनी इनकम में से उसको कट शॉर्ट करके उसको पढ़ाया, so that she can become a good person in life and can have a good income or salary, can earn good income and good salary in future. So मिष्टी took the good education, तो एजुकेशन से वो क्या हो गई, एक हर पर्सनालिटी डेवलप्ड, एजुकेशनल क्वालिटीज़ आ गई उसके अंदर. तो नाउ शी इज़ एबल टू गेट अ हायर अमाउंट ऑफ सैलरी और हायर अर्निंग, राइट. Medical facilities, what this provide us, a healthy human is also important in our countries. This is very important thing. A human resource is not only about a person should be educated, it's about the person should be healthy also. If you are not healthy you cannot do anything. Think about it yourself. अपने आप सोच के देखिए कि अगर आप बीमार हैं तो क्या आपकी एजुकेशन आपको कोई बेनिफिट दे रही है? नहीं दे पाएगी. Why? Because both of the things are necessary. And the very third thing is the training she took. The training, it meaning is here the development of the skills. एवरी पर्सन हैज़ द स्किल्स इन इट. हर इन पर्सन के अंदर जो है एक ना एक स्किल होती है, और उस स्किल को ट्रेनिंग करने के लिए हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं इन इंडिया. सो मैनी थिंग्स आर देयर एंड वी नीड education and skill training for that, so that we can become a good asset, a good human resource for the country. When we will earn more, then only we are going to contribute. देखो जब आपकी इनकम इतनी नहीं होगी कि आप टैक्स पे कर सकें, how we contribute to the economy? In the form of tax, है ना, right. तो when you are not able to pay the tax, आपकी इनकम ही इतनी नहीं कि आप टैक्स पे ना कर सको, तो इट मीन्स यू आर नॉट कंट्रीब्यूटिंग एनीथिंग टू दी कंट्रीज इकोनॉमी. तो इसका मतलब क्या है, दैट यू पीपल आर अर्निंग, आप कर रहे हैं अपने लिए, वर्किंग कर रहे हैं, बट यू पीपल आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग फॉर द कंट्री. इससे क्या होता है, कंट्री की इकोनॉमिकल जो स्ट्रेंथ है ना, वो ग्रो करने की वजह उल्टा डाउनवर्ड्स आ जाती है. एवरीथिंग वी विल बी स्टार्टिंग इन दिस चैप्टर. सब कुछ समझाऊंगी बहुत अच्छे से धीरे धीरे कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है कि ज़्यादा हो जाने की वजह से कम हो जाएगी. बिकॉज दोज पीपल आर ऑलरेडी द पुअर, दे आर नॉट गेटिंग इनकम. उल्टा उनके ऐसे पर्सनस के साथ में कंडीशंस क्या होती हैं, गवर्नमेंट हैज़ टू पे देम टू सर्वाइव. उनके लिए तो ये सब कुछ करना पड़ता है. द पुअर सिस्टम, PDS सिस्टम है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो आपने प्लान्स और स्कीम सुनते होंगे, उनके लिए दी जाती हैं. क्यों? because they are not able to earn. And why it is happening? Because they haven't took the education, they are having some health issues and they have not developed their skills. तो for a good human resource, एक अच्छी human resource बनने के लिए 3 चीज़ों पे working करना बहुत important है. First thing is education, second thing is health, and the third thing is skill development. तो what is basically a human resource? Again I am coming back to the point. क्या है इसमें लिखा हुआ, पीपल एज अ रिसोर्स इज अ वे ऑफ रेफरिंग कंट्रीज वर्किंग इन द टर्म्स ऑफ देयर एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोडक्टिव स्किल्स एंड एबिलिटी. ह्यूमंस वर्किंग, ह्यूमंस की वर्किंग देखी जाएगी, देन स्किल्स एंड द एबिलिटीज. स्किल्स और एबिलिटीज इट डेवलप्स ओनली व्हेन अ ह्यूमंस बिकम healthy and a good educated person, right? So resource, I told you what is a resource, then I told you human resource, and I tried to explain it in a good manner in through the example also, and that example will be beneficial to you for further videos also, because this story will run through the whole chapter and only then you are going to understand that what this chapter is about, right? So ह्यूमन रिसोर्स, एफिशिएंसी, एजुकेशनल क्वालिटी, ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल एबिलिटीज़ एंड साइटेडनेस का कैसे आएगी, हाउ विल गेन इट, हाउ अ person can become a good human resource when a person took the good education, he is healthy, and that person took the skill development is also there, then it becomes. so coming back to the story again, तो मिष्टी क्या हो गई यहाँ पे, मिष्टी एंड दारुक बोथ आर ह्यूमन रिसोर्स, दोनों ही ह्यूमन रिसोर्स हैं, बट द डिफरेंस इज़ that Mishti is a good human resource and Daruk is not a good human resource, and that is we need to understand, and the government worked on it to make the जो जैसे दारूक जैसे पर्सन्स को गुड ह्यूमन रिसोर्स में कन्वर्ट करने का काम जो है गवर्नमेंट करती है, बिकॉज इन आवर कंट्री देयर आर नंबर ऑफ पर्सन्स लाइक दारू and there are very less persons like Mishti. This is the thing. So we'll study the things in the next video. Thank you so much for today.